never seen. It's beautiful. 50 more rows. I'm going to go on a run right now. Okay. For once, I'm not late. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 8:39, so I have to leave the house in about 6 minutes. Yes, 6 minutes to catch my train to school. Today I have quite the schedule. Around 10 a.m. I have a class, and then it lasts until midday, 12 o'clock. After that, I'm gonna be headed to another campus of my university and sit down just to study. In the middle of that study session, I will have a group meeting at around 3 for a group project that will cover both semesters. So we're only at the beginning for that group project. We don't have much yet, so I think there will be a lot to cover during that meeting. But yeah, that's about it for now. We're going to get started with the day. I completely forgot to tell you guys what I was working on today, but I did a little bit of reading and literature review for my master's degree, which is going to be a lexicometrical analysis of discourses, political discourses to make it short. Yes, that's what I did today. I think that's what I'm going to keep doing still for an hour, and I will catch you guys for the group project. Les chefs du locaux, mais toi t'as un truc vraiment genre c'est des produits ménagers, ça n'a rien à voir quoi. Ouais. Du ménager au lieu de genre juste en racheter des neufs, tu vois, ils prennent de seconde main, tu vois. En vrai c'est pas trop grave parce que je crois qu'ils font les I'm finally going to continue the scarf that I've been working on. And so hopefully I can get like, I don't know, I want to get at least 20 rows down tonight. Is that a bit ambitious? I don't know. I ended up doing 22 rows. Oh my god, it's so long. Good morning. It is currently 10:18. I actually have some chores to do before leaving the house. After that, I think I'll just head straight to campus. Gonna get something to eat there, hopefully. I know that the campus I'm going to right now, which is a different one from the two that you've seen yesterday, it's pretty packed during lunchtime because the cafeteria is very small. So we will see how that goes. I'll probably have to queue for quite a while before I can get my sandwich, but that's fine. And at 2 p.m., we're going to go check out a new library that I have not been to yet. We'll stay there studying a little bit. After yesterday's group meeting, we do have a few things that we have to plan, and I think I will also work on my master thesis a little bit. All right, see you guys. It is currently 1:25. I do have a little problem because at 4:20 I have a meeting. But the issue is you're not technically allowed to talk out loud, right? In a library, like you're supposed to be quiet. And there are some meeting rooms in that library. However, you have to book them. And I just looked it up on the university website. All of the meeting rooms that are left over are not for students, they're only for the staff. So I'm a little bit confused. I don't know how I'm going to be able to partake to the meeting. And oh my god, this is so loud. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on how it went, and hopefully it is fine and not much of a big deal. De quoi tu veux? C'est quoi? Il n'y a plus le oh my god. Il n'y a plus le nouvel an. Il n'y a plus Noël.
Mais le mois de novembre,
Hello, it is currently 9:03, and I forgot what I wanted to say. Oh yeah, I just got home from school. No, I didn't just got home. I got home from school at 8. I think I'm just going to do some editing for this vlog in bed and call my boyfriend, and just, yeah, that's it for today. Little update on the library. So the library is so beautiful. So it's a new building. It is a shared library between two parts of my university, which both speak a different language, French and Dutch. So there's a lot of people going there, especially because it's new, it's modern. You can tell that there was like intention put in the layout of every room and every floor. It looks like a company open space. And so the space is not really optimized for the amount of students that are attending university. It's not thought for welcoming a lot of people. It's thought to be fun and cozy and inspiring. I think that tomorrow I'm gonna try to go there again in the morning. And then in the afternoon, after lunch, probably I'm going to meet up with my best friend that I have not seen in over a month. So I'm excited. We're going to do some like autumnal activities and walks. I think you guys will like it. All right, I think I'm going to stop filming for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. I am about to leave the house to go to school. I'll tell you guys later, but I actually woke up too late to go to the library. So we'll see what we're going to do.
T'as les gants en plus. Moi, je mets des gants.
Hello, it is currently, I don't know why I always say it is currently, but it is currently 9:55, so it's almost 10. I was supposed to go to that library again today in the morning, but I woke up too late, so I decided just to go to a cafe that was near the metro station that we had to go to, me and my best friend, so our meetup point. The vibes there were really, really nice. It's just that the drink that I picked was really mid, like incredibly mid. I think ube is highly overrated. So like if you don't know what it is, it's like powdered sweet potato. It just doesn't really taste like much. This was to say, just don't believe TikTok or social media. People are lying to you. So I just did a little bit of counting, and turns out that like I need about 50 more. Ooh, the camera is falling. I need about 50 more rows before the scarf is finished. 50 more rows is about this length. Let me show you. It's around this length. So yeah, I got this. I just did 10. I basically need to do 5 times what I just did. It's fine. I got this easy. I just got back from running some errands and I thought that I could do a little haul. First thing first, I got F.A.Q. What's the term in English? Tissues. I tend to have a very runny nose, so they are always handy. And then because it's that time of the month, if you know, you know. My shampoo, so I use this one, and then something that I have never bought in my entire life, I got this. It's like a room scent, a room spray, sorry, and the scent is white musk and warm vanilla. My wardrobe is just okay. You know what? This is going to turn into a sorting this freaking wardrobe because what the hell is this? I don't know what I was thinking, but I actually cut the sleeves a bit shorter, so it does. Oh, actually, it does show. Like you can tell that this was cut by yours truly, and the issue is that with washing this piece of clothing, which I've worn so much over and over through the years, the sleeves have shortened. So now it's actually too short and it looks goofy. So yeah, this has to go. And I really want to like this, but the color does not look good on me. It's okay. I'm keeping it. Fuck it. Fuck it. We will have to make you work. With this kind of shorts, the girls are just out. Everything about this, I wish I could make it work. I am thinking maybe I can cut the straps and then I end up with like a very long thing that I can just use as a, you know. This could be cute. Okay, I will leave this on this side. Maybe this is a project. Ooh. I'm going to be using a Christmas scarf. So, I actually use chocolate pebbles. So, oh my god, that's a bit much. This is kind of what I aim to do, right? And then I just put it in whatever thing I have. Like if you have something that you use to make ramen in, that's perfect. And then I'm just going to get milk. This one is empty, but you basically need to measure so that you don't overdo it. just a little bit so that, you know, the chocolate doesn't burn. I'm gonna fill my mug, not to the brim, and now we wait. So you want all of your pebbles to be melted. It has to be a little bit thick, like you just want to make sure that there's no like unmelted chocolate bits remaining, because that's not nice. All melted. Now I'm going to add the remaining milk. I'm going to wait a little bit before I use, you know, this thing, so like a mechanic frother. Why did I do that? Literally, why did I do that? What it looks like. Be a bit careful. Do you see how frothy it is? That's so nice, and please ignore the stove. So, I'm currently in my room with my little hot chocolate. I'm going to be playing a game which is called Vegan Pines. It's a story-based game. It's so nice. It's basically the kind of game in which your decisions will impact the future and the outcome.
Shadow on the wall is dancing like there's no way he could fall. The world he sees is empty after all.
Good morning, everyone. I'm about to do something that I haven't done in weeks, which is I'm about to go for a run, or should I say a jog. So wish me luck. I don't know yet how many kilometers I want to run today. Just so you know, I'm a huge beginner when it comes to running. I started February last year. I had like a very great progress curve at the very beginning, but I think that's quite the norm. And then ever since then, I've been stagnant for a bit. So yeah, since this is my comeback run after weeks of not running, I'm going to try and aim for at least 2 at like a normal pace. So for me, that's very low, but you shouldn't compare yourself to others. And then if I can do more, I'll do more. I'll see. All right, see you guys after. Hello guys, it's currently 13:40 and I have a stream in 20 minutes. I'm gonna try to look better for the stream, and I'm also going to try to prep for the stream a little bit. I have to change my layouts and my transitions a little bit because they are still Halloween themed. However, it is no longer Halloween, so I'm going to go on Etsy and see if I can find anything that could like be a bit more Christmas themed. I think this is going to be interesting for the people who watch my stream, the behind the scenes. So if you don't watch my streams, you may not know, but this is sort of what you see on stream. I'll try to add a preview somewhere. This is what I see. Usually this side of my desk is a whole mess. Like this is clean in my books. Very nice, very cozy. I'm about to start. As you can tell, hopefully I'm not unmuted. No, I am muted, that's perfect. So yeah, I'm just getting ready. I haven't streamed in 9 to 10 days, I think. That's so very long. Alright, let's go. I'll see you guys after. Hello, everybody. How is everybody doing? Hello. Here we go. Let me say hi to everyone. Hi Tokyo and hi Sino. Thank you so much guys for being first and second. How are you guys doing? Sahi, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. I think my alerts are a little bit low. I cannot hear them, so let me know because time. How are you guys feeling? Hi, Bean Rainbow. Hello. So this is something that happens quite often, but my PC just blue screened in the middle of the stream. If you know, you know. People who watch me know that this happens a lot to my PC, but yeah, she is old, she is dusty. We're going to get back at it. I'm just going to relaunch OBS and everything will be fine. Okay, so little updates. Turns out that it wasn't even my PC being like, you know, the old grandma that she is. I actually have no internet. Oh my god. Guys, we are gone. I'm sorry, but I can't help but taking this as a sign that I should just simply stop working. Oh, I'm joking. This is not good. Okay, the issue is I cannot do any work without Wi-Fi. In 2025, we unfortunately have all of our notes on an online platform, but we are Wi-Fi-less. Let's go. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm going to go complain about it to my brother and my mom. Good morning, everyone. It is currently, very surprisingly, 7:06, which is, if you know me, or actually you don't know me, but I've never seen myself awake around these times. But for some reason, last night around 9, I started feeling very tired and I hadn't like touched the screen for the past like hour or so, and I decided to keep going like that. I decided to purposely not scroll on any social media besides just like texting my boyfriend and my friends. Because of that, my brain felt very destimulated, which allowed me to go to bed super early at 10. Like that's really early in my books. And so I woke up at 5:45, no, 5:30 actually, and I took my damn time, my sweet time this morning to get ready. I took a shower, I washed my hair, dried it, made something yummy to eat this morning. You saw it. And now I'm about to go to school, not because I have classes, but because I actually want my revenge on that library, that new library that I tried to go to the other day with my friends. I managed to get there and find a seat, but it was still like very cramped and there was so many people. There's no way that there's that many people at the opening hours. I do not believe it, and if there is, well, you guys will find out. So far, there's almost no one in the library, so I'm excited.
Meuf qui veut absolument être dans le vlog.
Hello guys, I think it's currently 10 and since I woke up at freaking 5, I'm going to go to bed now, but I will see you guys tomorrow and it's gonna be already the last day of this weekly vlog, so insane. I actually did it. I think this is my first time actually completing a entire weekly vlog, so I'm pretty proud, but yeah, see you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. I think you can barely hear me, but we're going to make a banana bread at 6 in the morning. Wish us luck. I kind of have a little rule, or almost of a rule, that I try to go by when I make anything because I find it simpler. Is that you usually do the egg, butter, and sugar mix at the beginning. Also, add the bananas in this case because it's kind of a liquidy. And then afterwards, I'm gonna add the more dry ingredient, which in this case is the baking soda and oops, that's the wrong one, and the flour. Vanilla sugar, you can pretty much add it whenever, in my opinion. When it comes to baking, I think that measuring in volumes is way easier than measuring in grams because I don't need to get my scale out. I can just use my cups measurement. Butter though is the only or one of the only ingredients that is not nice to measure in cups. So I do measure it in grams, in actual weight. Right, that goes in the microwave for a bit. So my trick to mix bananas is to use a soup mixer. Guys, this is life changing, literally. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack my eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the flour, 1.5 cups, as well as the baking powder. Mom's gonna go downstairs. She's gonna wake up and go downstairs and see the whole mess that I've created in this house. She's not gonna like it, guys. It's ready. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for approximately 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. I'll put the Fahrenheit equivalent over here. And yes, that's it. I'm excited. And now I have to get to the unfunny part, doing the dishes. Hello, it is currently 8:40 and I'm going to go on a run right now. Not sure what I'm gonna aim for yet. I noticed that you know, all of my devices were out of battery, so my phone and my watch, which I need to go on a run. So, yes, but we're gonna go now. I'll see you guys after. Clack. Moment of truth. It worked! It worked! Oh my god, it worked! Yes! This is my first ever project, and this was like my first trial. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but she is like squiggly, and as I can just like go here. So I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys the scarf, but also like the yarn bowl that it used to be. So this is the scarf. She's almost my height, so around 150 centimeters. And I can wrap it like this around my neck. Very cute. But what I wanted to show you guys is the difference between the yarn bowls. So this is like the yarn bowl, like this the initial size, but just in another color. Like I didn't use this color. I only used this yarn bowl for one single project, which didn't take a lot of yarn at all. So you could say that this is the initial size. And then I have the other yarn bowl that I used for the scarf, and I only used it for the scarf. Like that was my very first project. Insane, like how much yarn did this scarf just eat? Hi guys! So it is currently 1:53 and I'm about to start my stream in 7 minutes, but I just wanted to quickly catch you guys before I go and stream for 4 hours, and hopefully this time it will go well. I dedicated a little bit of an sort of an hour to my master thesis and working on that. And for today, I actually had a very specific task, which was fixing my code that I was working on yesterday evening at the library. So, for a little bit of context, my master thesis is about analyzing discourses and speeches. And part of those are on a website. And in order to retrieve all of them, I need to web scrap the website. Web scrapping is just basically getting information out of a website. You can do that manually by, copy pasting everything and clicking on every article that you see, but you can also do it with a code or through a software. For a little bit of challenge, I wanted to actually try to make my very own code instead of paying for, a software that would web scrap for me. I managed to make it work. Like I actually tested it on like a web page and it worked. Like I got my information that I wanted and I'm so happy. So now I'm going to start my stream in about 4 minutes. And I will catch you guys after. I appreciate you and I will see you guys after the stream. Cute. Hi guys! So I just ended my stream and I wanted to give you guys a little update on what I did during the stream, but basically I just fully focused on like my master thesis, and more specifically all like the code related to the web scraper. All right, so this vlog is slowly nearing its end. I'm not sure if I will record more today or if I will just call it a day and try and focus on the editing of this vlog. But if you've watched up till now, I am so grateful and thankful for your attention and your view. Thank you so much for following me along this week, even though you technically only get to see my week later, like after all the days have passed. It was genuinely like a real source of motivation to bring my vlogging camera with me, because it felt like I was just like bringing you along, right? And I really hope from the bottom of my heart that this will be something that you enjoy watching as much as I enjoyed filming it and editing it. And if not, that's also fine, because I think it does not have to make sense to anyone but yourself. Genuinely, like, if you are starting something and you're like, but will people understand it? Will people agree with me? Will people, like, you know, you don't owe anyone any explanation. Like, I'm making this vlog right now, and there's probably people who know me IRL who are going to think like, what the hell is she doing again? People are kind of used to me like starting new projects and everything, but what the hell is she doing? Who the hell does she think she is? Well, I don't think I'm anyone. I just wanted to make vlogs, and so I did. And so if there is something that you want to do and you're holding yourself back because you think that, you know, you're not legit, well, let me tell you right here, right now, you are legit. Like, if you want to do it, just do it. And if you think that it's going to make you happy and fulfill you, go for it. All right, this is it for this week, and I will see you guys next week, same time, I hope. All right, bye guys. Thank you for watching.